EVT, an automotive test equipment and repair service. Your place where you can make one call to repair it all.
The Monty 3550 EM tire changer is designed for ease of operation, safe handling of rims, reliability, and speed. The combination of features means more profit and added versatility for your shop, enabling you to work with OEM and aftermarket wheels without damage. With a minimum of maintenance and care, your tire changer will provide many years of trouble-free operation. Before operating the machine, ensure that you understand the operation and function of all the machine controls. Follow all safety instructions for the machine. The first pedal from the left operates the column to tilt backward and forward. With the left foot, press down and release, and the column tilts backward. Press again, and the column tilts forward. The second pedal from the left operates the turntable clamps. With the left foot, press down slightly and the clamps begin to move in. Once the rim is clamped, fully depress the pedal to lock the clamping jaws. To release the rim, press the pedal and the jaws will expand. The first pedal from the right controls the rotation of the turntable. With the right foot, press down and hold and the turntable turns clockwise. Lift the pedal and the turntable turns counterclockwise. The second pedal from the right operates the bead breaker. Open the bead breaker arm with the left foot. Press down on the pedal and the bead breaker blade will move towards the machine. Release the pedal and the bead breaker blade will retract. In addition to the foot pedals, the push button on the handle pneumatically locks and releases the mount-demount tool in the correct position. Push the button firmly with the forefinger in the direction of the arrow to unlock and let the mount-demount tool go up. Push the button with the thumb in the direction of the arrow to unlock and let the tool go down. To lock, push the button firmly with the thumb. When operating the bead seater, it is mandatory to wear safety glasses. The bead seater inflator pedal is on the left side of the machine. Press halfway down and air will come from inflation hose end only. Swiftly press the bead seater pedal all the way down to get an air blast from the inflator jets located on the turntable. Air simultaneously comes out of the inflator hose. Take care to adhere to the following mounting precautions. The rim must be clean and in good condition. Remove all wheel weights. Replace the valve stem or replace the O-ring if the valve stem is made of metal. Use only an approved lubricant for tires. Make sure the tire is the correct size for the rim. The Monty 3550 is equipped with all the accessories needed to change the most difficult tire and wheel assemblies. Begin changing a tire by setting the bead breaker. If the tire is over 13 inches wide, first set the bead breaker in the wide position. Pull up and hold the release pin and pull the bead breaker assembly in the wide position. Release the pin in its hole to lock the bead breaker in the new position. A plastic rim protector is standard to help protect the surface of custom wheels. Hold open the bead breaker and roll the tire into the bead breaker area. Ensure that the wheel is in contact with the rubber breaker pads on the side of the machine. Check to ensure that the bead breaker blade is not over the top of the wheel. Hold the bead breaker guide rod to keep the bead breaker aligned with the tire's bead and press the bead breaker pedal. Release the breaker foot pedal as soon as the tire bead moves out of the wheel's bead seat. It may be necessary to rotate the tire and repeat the above procedure to dislodge the entire bead. On wheels equipped with low pressure sensors, the bead should be broken at 90 degrees offset from the valve stem. Set the rim clamps to the proper position. Retract clamps to clamp the wheel from the outside and expand clamps to clamp from the inside. The turntable jaws can also be positioned in two different ways to increase or decrease the rim diameter capacity. Push the lever on the left side of each jaw and change the position. Always clamp alloy or clear-coated wheels from the outside to minimize the risk of scratching the surface. The bead assist attachment can be used to aid in clamping stiff sidewall tires mounted onto the turntable. Insert the wheel pusher tool into position and place it in the center of the wheel and lower the device so the wheel presses downward onto the turntable claws and lock claws. An additional bead braking method is available that will roll the outside bead off the rim. This minimizes the chance of accidentally damaging the outer face of the rim with the bead breaker. Break the inside bead in the normal manner as shown earlier, then mount the assembly on the turntable. Install the demounting disc tool. With the pneumatic bead assist control, lower the demount disc tool and position the disc about 1/8 to 1/4 inches away from the rim lip. Press the turntable foot pedal and slowly lower the roller against the top bead. Liberally lubricate both beads with approved tire lubricant. You can use the bead assist roller to push the bead down to assist in applying the lubricant. Press the foot pedal and tilt the tower forward into the working position. It can be difficult on some tires to position the mount-demount head against the wheel due to the stiffness of the sidewall. This is made easy with the pneumatic roller. Press the release button to position the mount-demount head in contact with the wheel edge and release the button to lock the head in position. The tool automatically moves vertically up and away from the wheel edge. After the mount-demount head is positioned properly, matching wheels from the same vehicle may be changed without having to reset the head. Attach the nylon rim protector to the rim lip. Insert the bead lifting tool under the bead and over the support of the mount-demount tool. Lift the bead onto the mounting finger. To facilitate this operation, press with left hand on the bead in position directly opposite to that of the tool. If desired, the bead lifting tool can be removed after lifting the bead onto the finger. Use the pneumatic bead assist to push the tire in drop center. Depress the turntable control pedal to rotate the turntable clockwise. When changing run-flat tires, it may be necessary to push the bead into the drop center in several positions. Position the lower disc next to the lower wheel's edge. Hold the handle firmly and at the same time rotate the turntable. This helps lifting the tire to insert the bead lifting tool. Remove the lower bead. Press the foot pedal to cause the tower to tilt backward and out of the way and remove the tire. An additional method of removing the lower bead on extremely stiff sidewall tires is to use the pneumatic assist bead roller. Position the roller under the bottom bead and approximately 1/4 inch away from the rim lip. Ensure the bead opposite the roller is in the drop center of the wheel. Depress the turntable foot pedal and slowly raise the pneumatic roller until the bead is removed. Begin the tire mounting by cleaning the wheel mounting surface and liberally lubricate both beads of the tire with approved tire lubricant.